Yo guys, what's up? So today we're looking at Stellantis. STLA is a ticker symbol. It's a car company. So origins of this company was Chrysler merged with Peugeot. Oh, they merged with Daimler first, and then they finally merged with Peugeot. And at that point, I almost sold the stock because I was like, France, I'm out. That car company is not awesome. But recently, I was surprised. I said, okay, I want to hang on to the stock for a little while. I did sell some calls against what I had in my E-Trade account, and just to make some income and be like, if it's gone, it's gone. I don't care. But the calls didn't do anything. They just kind of faded away. Didn't My stock didn't get called away, so that was good. Um, but they've been making some interesting plays. Okay, so they're trying to refocus on the EV market, which is probably smart. I mean, Ford has made a good transition. They're making a good effort into the EV space. GM has now committed a bunch of capital to go into the EV space. So Tesla's not going to be the only player in town anymore. There's a bunch of startups that are coming up, right? Like GoEV, Workhorse, Ride, FUV, all the SPAC plays. So there's going to be a lot of competition in this EV space, and there's going to be a lot of cars on the road that are going to be EV, and the new Biden infrastructure plan is going to be a big part of that with the new charging network that's going to be established and expanded. Tesla already has a great charging network, and even Tesla is going to open it up to all the EVs, and that's a brilliant play. But let's focus on Stellantis. So they've made some pretty good inroads, and you can see over this last couple weeks they've been going bananas. So with all the announcements and investments and everything going on over there, they have earnings going to look pretty good. So you can see it's pulling way above the 20-day moving average. So it could be time for a pullback, but man, it is going bonkers. So I don't think it is. I think it's going to just keep going higher for now. We'll see. I mean, you can see the ceiling, 2139, is kind of where it's been topped out, and it had a bit of a dip where I should have sold some calls, but I didn't. But I think it's in another little run. If it busts above the ceiling, the sky's the limit. Don't know really where it's going to settle out, but all indications are it's going higher. So it could be a good time to sell some puts. Depends how much premium is in there. Let's take a look. So let's look at 13 days out first. You can see volatility is very low because the stock has been doing so well, and there's basically zero money in this. That's not even worth anything. Not worth my time. Now let's look for September. Wow, this is pathetic. So at 22.12, there must be a dividend or something being paid out. $1.35, and it is currently $1 off of that, so it's 35 cents a premium. Wow, that is terrible. So not a good time to sell puts. Might be a good time to buy a call? Maybe. Not at that price. Maybe might be worth 40 cents. Depends. If it busts above the ceiling like I talked about before, it might be worth it. But if we go out a little further, let's go out and take a look at a leap. I've been doing some leaps recently, and $3 for a 25. That's not good. 22. I might take that deal. I might take 20 or 22 and a half. Actually, 20 for 420. That's a pretty good deal right there. I'll have to take a look at that. Anyway, guys, you gotta subscribe to my channel, see what kind of crazy stuff I'm doing next. You never know what I'm gonna do with these options. Alright, so bottom line, we're looking at a upward price movement, I think, in the next week. So selling another put could generate some cash flow. Obviously not investing advice, but educational purposes only. Do your own research, make your own choices, do your own trades. Good luck out there, guys. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for watching.